What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing evil Dr. Jeffy from SML. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and draw a circle for the nose. We're going to start at the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now on the bottom left side, we're going to draw a straight angle line coming down and out, flatten this off, and go back in towards the nose. Now in the middle, we're just going to separate this in half. Now on the top of the nose, we're going to draw two more circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, up against the edge of the nose. We'll go all the way around the eye, and then back in. Let's line this up on the right, going all the way around, up towards the top, and then back down. Let's add the eyelid, starting on the left side, curve this up, and then down, and do the same thing on the right. On the left side, we're going to add the iris. Draw a half circle going around. Draw a small circle in the center for the pupil and fill it in black. Now let's draw the top edge of the mouth, starting on the left, curves down and in behind, continue down in the middle, and then back up on the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to open up the mouth, coming down, continue across the bottom, and then up. Now in the center, we're going to add the teeth. Let's add a square coming down the sides, across the bottom and up, and we'll split this in half. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the right eye. Let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. We're going to start on the left, curve this down underneath the mouth, go across, and then up on the right side. Now I'm going to work our way up towards the goggles, going up and then into right about there. Do the same thing on the right. Let's draw the base of the goggles. We're going to curve this in and then up towards the top of the head. We'll round out the center. Now just up above the eyes, we're going to draw the edge of the helmet, starting on the left, then this up, come down the middle, up above the right eye, and then down towards the side of the head. Let's add a strap across the side of the head. We're going to step in, curve this around, and then down towards the bottom. Let's add in the ears from this point, going up, around, and then in. And then I'm going to add a fold inside the ears. Bend this up and then out. Now I want to fill these gaps with the side of the goggles. So let's start on the bottom left, angle this up and out. Just line that up on the right. Let's go up to the top. Just going to angle this in so it gets a little bit narrower across the top. Let's round out the top, going up and then down. Now let's draw the top edge of the goggle. Just going to bend this around and up, just closing off the front edge. Now we want to take this section and separate it in half with another curve. Let's go in between, step down, add another curve. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to draw two lines, one coming down from the left, and then one on the right. Let's move to the center and draw a large rectangle for the buckle. From the hips, bend this down and in behind the buckle, step up, go in behind the top. Let's add that little detail inside. From the top right, we're going to draw an oval coming down and across, and then from the top left, go in the opposite direction. Let's add a line coming down the center from the chin towards the buckle. Now we can leave a gap, add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out, and then in towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. Now I want to round out the foot, come in and then down towards the heel. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. I'm going to go out, down, and then in. And then we'll add the edge of the diaper from the inside leg, going up and then out on both sides. Now I'm going to go back up and draw on the arms. Let's start from the side of the body, step down, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side, starting from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and then up around that bracket. Let's go to the side, go out and then up with the second finger. Let's add 1 more finger, going all the way around and then outside of the wrist. I'm going to follow that same curve along the outside, going up and then in underneath the head. And we'll separate the cuff with a curve. And now I want to add that scar over on the left side, starting underneath the eye, going around the mouth, and then down towards the chin, step up. Now I'm going to finish off by adding the tongue in the center, starting from the left side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw evil Dr. Jeffy from SML. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.